In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video call from WhatsApp using the desktop application. This guide will walk you through the steps to seamlessly connect with your friends or family without a hitch using your computer. So let's dive right into it. First things first, it's important to note that the web version of WhatsApp, which you access via web.whatsapp.com, does not support voice or video calls. You may have noticed that you only have messaging options on the web version, and that's perfectly normal because making video calls requires the WhatsApp desktop app. So, if you were trying to make a call just from your browser, that might be where the confusion lies. To get started, you need to download the WhatsApp desktop application, open your browser and head over to whatsapp.com/download. Once you're there, simply download the application appropriate for your operating system. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, the download process is quite intuitive. Just follow the prompts to install it. If you run into any trouble during installation, make sure your computer's operating system is up to date, as that could sometimes cause issues. Once installed, go ahead and open the WhatsApp desktop app. When you first open the app, you'll see a QR code on your computer screen. Now grab your smartphone where you have WhatsApp installed. You'll need to scan this QR code from the WhatsApp app on your phone to link your account. To do this, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner to open the menu, and select Linked Devices. From there, just tap on Link a Device and scan the QR code with your phone's camera. Within seconds, your WhatsApp account should be linked to the desktop app. Great! Now that your phone and desktop apps are linked, it's time to make that video call. Choose the person you want to connect with by opening a chat with them. Once the chat window is open, look to the top right corner. You should see a video camera icon right next to the voice call icon. Go ahead and click that video camera icon and voila! You've initiated a video call. The first time you attempt this, your computer will likely prompt you to allow WhatsApp access to your camera and microphone. Make sure you grant this access so the person on the other end can both see and hear you. If you ever need to adjust these settings later, you can find them within your computer's privacy or sound settings. And that's it! You're all set to start video calling friends, family or colleagues directly from your computer using the WhatsApp desktop app. It's simple, it's efficient, and now you know how to do it like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy calling.